Hello Taurus, so this is your quick oracle reading. We'll be using the affirmation of the fairy cats. So your card for now is, well, kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share this YouTube channel. So we have here the card of the summer. You know what, Taurus? It's time that you go ahead and bear what you have. Just like in summer where kung saan nandoon na, of course, when you go summer, andyan yung swimming, that you need to take off some clothes because mainit nga. Same thing, it's time for shedding. Time to remove some of the things na excess na sa buhay mo. It could be something that you're doing, it could be a person, it could be an event, it could be a past memory. It could be an experience of physical item. Kailangan mo nang bitawan. Why? Because it is blocking you from receiving what you need to receive. It is blocking you from doing kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin. Kasi parang hirap ng mag-swimming pag naka-long gown, di ba? So I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. I'll see you on the next video.